Simple question. Could you use an extra $9,300 a year for you and your family? If the answer is yes, make sure you watch this video all the way through because we're going to break down some simple things that you need to know and understand about taxes, your income, and why you're most likely overpaying and giving the government way too much money. In this video, we're going to break all that down. Stay tuned. Hey, my friends, DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, if you're looking for strategies and maybe ways, or maybe you just saw the thumbnail of this video and thought, hey, what is this all about? Do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. I've been in the online home-based business space for decades, my friend, teaching, training, and educating people just like you how to make and save more money. And if that's why you're watching this video, then you're in the right place. So in this video, we're going to talk about two specific things. Number one is the fact that you are most likely giving the government too much money. And number two, how you can avoid that. So let's go break those down. And again, watch this all the way through. I'm going to throw you a little bonus here at the end of this video. So make sure you get to that point so you can see exactly what that is and how you can take advantage of it. Okay. So number one, understanding why and how you're giving the government too much money. Well, most people here in the United States are giving the government about $6,000 to $10,000 too much money every single year. It's like giving the government a free loan to say, hey, here's my money, take it. And then at the end of the year, they're just going to give you a percentage of that back. Now, you got to realize that you could have a majority of that money where it belongs, in your bank account. That sounds pretty good, right? So, and it's possible. And the average person doesn't know and understand how this is happening or why this is happening or really what they can do about it. So throughout the year, you pay too much in taxes. And what happens is at the end of the year, you wish, you hope, you pray that you get a really big fat refund. Well, guess what, my friends? If you get a big fat refund at the end of the year, that simply means that you did it wrong. Now, this is basically backwards from what we're taught and what we, when we get a job and we go through the standard process of working for a living and getting our taxes done and all those things, we think that getting a big fat refund is really awesome and really great. And although it feels good when you get the paycheck, it simply means that you gave the government too much money and you could have kept more of that money. When most people get started, they fill out their W-4 form now in whatever job that it is you have. And this applies to most standard Americans. When you have a W-4 form, when you start your job, it's typically your new hire paperwork that you fill out. Most people don't know how to fill out this form. And when you do, you fill out and you put the number 0 or 1, and it means you get the most amount of taxes taken out of your paycheck. That in turn leads you to get to the end of the year and wish and hope and pray that you get a big refund. Now, there is a proper way to fill out this form, and it's going to allow you legally and ethically to keep the most amount of money. These, by the way, my friends, are tax strategies of the rich and wealthy that you, yes, the average everyday person can learn and understand. And the reason why only the 1% to 2%, the elite, the wealthy, understand these things is because they take the time to learn them. And that's what we're talking about here in this video, allowing you the understanding, the education behind this. It's not tax evasion. It's nothing illegal. It is actually 100% approved by the IRS. Okay. So there is a strategy out there. As a matter of fact, it only takes about 20 minutes to learn and understand and apply this tax strategy so you could put more money back in your pocket. Now, let's talk about number two. How do you need to know this stuff? How do you get to this information? What do you got to do about it? And how can you start following these simple steps so you can shift your money around and put more money where it belongs, in your bank account? Let's dive into that. Okay. So a couple things that you need to know and understand. There's a strategy out there called income shifting. Now, income shifting, that's basically what it sounds like. You shift the money away from the government and you put it back in your bank account. Okay. Again, this is done legally and ethically. And this process has actually been around for a very long time, but it flies under the radar because most people just don't know about it. Most people just don't understand it, but it's a lot more simple than you think it is. Now, I myself am aware of this. I help thousands and thousands of people become aware of this. So again, you could take advantage of this. Now, I actually have a Facebook group that I'd be more than happy to plug you into. And inside of our Facebook group, we teach these wealth strategies. We did a poll recently and we said, hey, How many people here have done this income shifting tax strategy? And if so, how much money did you increase into your bank account each and every single month? And well, the results were literally awesome. Corey got an extra $150 a week or $600 a month for him and his family. He used that extra income to make a down payment on a brand new home. Shannon created $510 a month in extra income for her and her family. Beth, $570 a month for her and her family. Mark, $700 a month in extra income that he did not have before. And Isabella, $780 a month in additional income for her and her family. That's $9,300 a year in additional income that she now has here in 2025 that she did not have in 2024. So let me ask you, what would you and your family do with an extra $9,000 a year? Now, here's the great part. Every single one of those people that I just showed you, they didn't have to work any extra hours. They didn't have to get a second job. They didn't have to ask their boss for a raise. They simply just adjusted one tax form. They did this legally and ethically and are now making more money. You have to understand that the goal here, come the end of the year, come tax time, is for you to be flush. You don't want a big fat refund. You want to keep as much of that money throughout the year as possible. So at the end of the year, your target goal is between zero, meaning you don't owe any taxes, you don't get any money back, and $500. That is the perfect goal for you. Now, there's one other strategy that I want you to be aware of. In our Facebook group and the strategies that I teach, we also teach and educate and train people on how to be a home-based business owner. Now, why is that important? What does that have to do with the government and your money and all those other things? The average home-based business owner, like myself and millions of other people across the United States and across the world, you can claim up to 200 tax deductions per year. Now, I'm not a CPA. I would highly encourage you to use a trained tax professional for this, but you can claim up to 200 tax deductions per year as a home-based business owner, even if you're not in profit. All you have to do is be part of a business opportunity or something that you run out of your home, and that could literally be anything. And as long as you are showing the government that you are attempting to make a profit, you could take advantage of these tax strategies. Again, helping you save and keep more of your hard-earned money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little end card here at the end of this video. You could simply tap on that. You could see how we're helping thousands of people. Maybe you could be one of them, and we could help you shift your income and take massive advantages of all the financial loopholes that are available to you by becoming a home-based business owner. Again, these are all 100% legal, approved by the IRS tax strategies that you could be using. Could you use supplemental income? Could you and your family benefit from having more money? If so, then go ahead, hit the link in the description down below or hit the end card here at the end of this video. Now, if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I'm putting out new content, whether it be on education, how to make money online, how to make money from home, or just maybe even going live. You, my friend, will be the first to know. I truly do thank you and appreciate you for watching this video. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, I always leave my phone number at the top of all my videos. Send me a text message, ask me anything, or simply drop a comment down below. Hit that end card, go get more information and discover how to take advantage of being a home-based business owner, my friend. I can assure you it is worth the time. And by the way, it's free to go watch. It's not going to cost you anything. There's no courses to buy. There's no high-ticket coaching programs to buy into. You don't have to buy any ebooks. Simply just watch, learn, and make an informed decision. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.